Dear students, good wishes and welcome to my second virtual English class. Dear students, this is my personal information. I think you know it very well. Dear students, you have seen a flying bird. So please notice flying bird because here flying modifies or gives extra information about the noun bird. That means flying works as an adjective. Dear students, you have seen a passenger who is trying to get on the running bus. So please notice running bus because here running modifies or gives extra information about the noun bus. That means running also functions as an adjective. So dear students, both flying and running play the role of an adjective. So today's topic is participle because participle also works as an adjective. Topic is applicable for class 9 to 12. Dear students, let's know the learning outcomes of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to know what is participle, kinds of participle, what is present participle, what is past participle, what is perfect participle, and the uses of different participles. Dear students, let's know the definition of participle. A participle is a verbal that functions as an adjective. In simply, we can say a verbal works as an adjective. The students, we can classify participle in three categories such as present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. The students, let's know what is present participle. A present participle is a verbal ending in ing that functions as an adjective. Simply, we can say a verb adding with ing, it will work as an adjective. That is called present participle. So, dear students, you can also follow the structure. Verb plus ing form works as an adjective equal to present participle. Dear students, let's know example of present participle. Do not get down from the running train. Here, running is present participle because running modifies the noun train. On the other hand, get down is our principal verb. Dear students, we saw two flying birds. Here flying is our present participle because it gives extra information about birds. On the other hand, saw is the principal verb in the sentence. So dear students, don't be confused about verb and present participle. Dear students, let's know another example. I have bought a new reading table. Here reading is our present participle because it modifies the noun table or gives extra information. On the other hand, bought is our principal verb in the sentence. Dear students, let's know another example. Mother decorated our drawing room nicely. Here drawing is present participle because it modifies the noun room. On the other hand, decorated is our principal verb. Dear students, let's know another example of present participle. Runa Khan is a beautiful girl in the class. Here beautiful is an adjective but it is a pure adjective. On the other hand, if we follow the 5 sentences whatever, we will come to know. We are listening breaking news. Here breaking is present participle because it gives extra information about noun news. We swimming in the swimming pool. Here swimming is our present participle. We sit under running fan. Here running is our present participle. We ordered for a dining table. Here dining is our present participle. My sister bought a dressing table. Here dressing is a present participle. So if we keenly follow the examples, we can come to conclude that breaking, swimming, running, dining, dressing all are present participles because after them they contain a noun. On the other hand, if we follow the verb of the sentences, we will come to know that listening, swim, sit, ordered, bought are verbs of the sentences. এবং they are the soul of the sentences. So dear students, be careful about the uses of present participle and verb. Dear students, let's know what is past participle. Past participle form of verb or B3 is a verbal that functions as a adjective. Dear students, B3 is not a standard form of language but I have used it as a term for your better understanding. Dear students, let's know the structure of past participle. B3 works as an adjective equal to past participle. Dear students, let's know the example of past participle. A little girl is trying to open the locked door. Here locked is past participle because it gives extra information about door, whatever an adjective does. On the other hand, trying is principal verb. Dear student, let's know another example. I cannot sit on the broken chair. Here broken is past participle because broken gives extra information about the noun chair. On the other hand, sit is our principal verb. Dear students, let's go another example. The driver could not cross the damaged bridge. Here damaged is our past participle because it gives extra information about bridge. On the other hand, cross is our principal verb. Dear student, let's know more examples about past participle. Bandarban is a beautiful district. Here beautiful is an pure adjective. It modifies the noun district. On the other hand, I cannot eat rotten fish. Here rotten is our past participle because it modifies the noun fish. I am finding my lost pen. Here lost is our past participle. The police searched the stolen goods. Here stolen is the past participle. You don't bring any written document. Here written is our past participle. Music is the medicine of broken heart. Here broken is a past participle. So dear students, please follow rotten, lost, stolen, written, broken. All the past participles take a noun after them. On the other hand, eat, finding, searched, bring is are the principal parts of the 5 sentences. So dear students, be sincere and careful about the uses of past participle and verb. Dear students, please come to know what is perfect participle. It is very easy. After adding ing with have, has, had, it will be formed as perfect participle. And after having, we use B3, then object, then other. So dear students, let's know about the uses of perfect participle. Having forgotten him, I went outside the hall. Here after having, we used the past participle of verb forgotten. In second sentences, we have used snatched after having past participle of verb because as a rule of perfect participle, we used past participle verb after it. So having snatched the purse, the thief ran away. The students, try to do homework at home. Identify participle from the exercise of your prescribed book. If fail, inbox me. Coming topping on next class infinitive. So dear students, thank you very much for listening to me. Please attend my next class. Stay at home and pray to your Almighty as per your religion.